Hey, it's Resto-Rob and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to work on this Craftsman drill that was sent to me by Andy M. Check out Andy. He's got a cool little channel. Needs more subscribers, so I'll share a link in the end to Andy's channel. But he sent me a Craftsman metal drill, and we're going to clean it up. Part of his letter he sent. Hey there, fella toolaholic. He found this and wanted to have me work my magic. So challenge accepted, Andy M. I'm going to work my magic on this, and hopefully I make you proud. You magnificent bastard, you. So sit back, relax, and see how I destroy this tool.
Spanning the globe to bring you the constant variety of stuff, the thrill of victory, and the agony of defeat. The human drama of messing around with stuff.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. We're going to see what Andy has to say in just a minute.
How dare you?
Sort it out for you. It's a Craftsman Industrial 3/8. So we're going to clean this up. Let's plug it in and see how it goes. Cord's a little boogered up, so we're going to have to fix that. So we're going to get this together. So this will be in another video.
H to the E to the double L, no.
Well, folks, I am sorry. The disassembly footage for this drill did not go through. So you can see where I was setting up the camera, and apparently I forgot to hit record. So instead, I'll show you a tool haul I just did, and then we'll get back to the Craftsman drill. Sorry for that, folks, but check out this tool haul. Here we have a Proto clutch drive. Found us a Williams 7/16 nut driver, a Workmaster multi-bit Stanley Workmaster multi-bit screwdriver. Got this screwdriver here. It has this weird, crazy, twisty bit or twisty handle. Found an Exolite 7/16 nut driver. We've got this old school, very vintage, not quite sure. It is a Seymour Smith snap lock. Cool. Sears. I don't know if you can see that very well. Sorry about the weird lighting. I'm in the kind of shade here because it's so hot. But this said Sears. Got a Fuller. Aha, here we are. Vice grip. don't know if you can see that very well. Oh, over here. Vice grip, DeWitt, Nebraska, USA. This is an old school pair of vice grips. Found us a True Craft Tool Company, Japan, 10-inch adjustable wrench. Here we have Barklow, USA, slip joint pliers. Got a couple of these brace bits. Here is another Proto clutch drive. Not quite sure what this is, what brand. Well, all that I got was, it was just stamped with an H. Can't really tell too well. There you go. So, nothing really crazy there. Here is an Exolite. It needs to be cleaned up. Here's a Stanley Workmaster. This is a Thorson 3/8. Here is a Melco, this way. Melco, 11/32. This little screwdriver, and I think it says Cornwall. A Coors bottle opener. Here is, not quite sure, kind of a punch. Needs to be cleaned up. A Wizard spark plug only. And finally, a Proto keyring screwdriver. Okay, now that we got this thing disassembled, let's try to remember how to put it back. Oh boy.
What in the wide world of sports?
We'll clean it up. Hopefully I remember how to put this thing back together.
And now, the money shot.
Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this restoration here. Andy, you rock. So please check out Andy's channel. He's got a cool channel. He needs more subscribers. So check him out, and hopefully you enjoyed this cleanup, repair of this Craftsman drill. So until next time, check you later.